Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar said that he will never do anything that will embarrass the party or the government, addressing the first KPCC General Body meeting after the Assembly elections in Bangalore. Shivakumar said the BJP is unable to digest the Congress government implementing the 5 pre-poll guarantees immediately after Congress coming to power. The BJP is falsely accusing our government of corruption. I will not do anything that will embarrass my party. If the BJP's charges are proved, then I will retire from politics, DCM Shivakumar said.
I was ready to accept any challenge. When I have accepted a challenge that I am ready to quit my political life. What more you want than that?
You said it.
I have said it on record. That is my commitment to the people of Karnataka. I am here up to keep the words, promises. In Karnataka public life, whatever I have spoken, I have committed. That is my strength and that is my weakness also.
Taking a jibe at BJP, Shivakumar said how the party is not able to choose an opposition leader but at the same time makes false accusations against Agriculture Minister N. Swami and others for taking commission. A fake letter purportedly written by the minister seeking commission was submitted by some contractors in Mandya to Karnataka governor. The Lokayukta agency reported that during BJP's rule, in one constituency, 117 crore rupees bill was paid without working. Former CM Baswaraj Bommai said he would investigate the matter and set up an inquiry committee, but nothing happened in reality. The BJP has accused the Congress government, in particular Shivakumar, of allegedly demanding commission from BBMP contractors to release money for the works completed.
Why did Bommai made a statement on the report of Lokayukta that is going to take strict action? So I had to suspend the officers on the report of Lokayukta and Bommai's statements.
However, the state government has withheld all payments as to inquiries on the quality of work executed are underway. Riya Roy Chaudhary for Salar Digital News.
ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸು 5 ಬಾಧ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಚಾನ್ಸು 5 ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಚಾನ್ಸು ಇಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೊಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ